Holy shit! And right here. Okay, I got a little bit more air. And slow down, crouch. Oh, that one felt great.